Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about Solana today and try to come up with the answer. Since the price in Solana is going down, is it still worth it? Is the market still believing that Solana is the cryptocurrency that everyone should be running to? Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. Let me get that out on the street, let you all know that right now I do price predictions, and it's in a way that is not hard, that is not confusing, and you guys can actually tell I get them right. I come through and try to tell my community, hey, look forward to these particular type of cryptocurrencies going up, going down. So today it's your first time ever seeing my videos, my content. Welcome. If you guys appreciate it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, also subscribe to the channel if you want to join the team, because we're here to dominate the cryptocurrency space and make bread. So I did a video in Solana, an update video on April the 22nd, 2022, because you guys can see I've had this price prediction of looking for Solana to go down since April the 10th. So I came back through on April the 22nd, which was right here, looking for Solana's price to continue to track lower. So I didn't change the price prediction. I was still looking for the market to go down, and that is exactly what happened into the market. So from April the 10th all the way until April the 30th, so 20 days, it has taken us for us to get that ultimate TP out the market of 20.4%. Right there, plain and simple, nothing hard, nothing difficult. If you were to get out the market right now, you guys can see we'll be up 30, almost 31%. That's it. There's nothing hard to this game. Everyone else tries to come in and cause confusion. Everyone else tries to come in and give you all hype and FUD and FOMO just to get the clicks, just so that they get the money and ad revenue without benefiting you all. That's why I'm here. I'm that source for you all to ensure that you all also get the opportunity to make some bread. Now, check this out. Let's go ahead and talk about it to see if Solana is still worth it, because obviously we're in a massive downturn in this space. Now, I want you all to see this. I'm creating this horizontal line to distinguish where the buyers are at, right? We need to see the buyers come into the market in Solana right now. They've done it before. So it's not like it's not improbable that they cannot do it. They can actually do it again. They did it here towards the ending of January, did it towards the ending of February, and it also came back again on March the 14th, 13th of 2022 and brought the price up. Now we're here again, a fourth time. Can they do it again? Because just because the market came and held support 3 times already around $78 doesn't mean that the buyers are there again. It doesn't mean that. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. We're going to transition over to a longer term time frame. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 5 weekly chart. You guys can see right here, we're still seeing weakness. Okay, 3 weeks, we're definitely still seeing weakness. We have 9 hours and 7 minutes left on this current 3 weekly price bar, and that is not bullish. That is not bullish at all. It looks to be that the market, in Solana, is not going to hold this $78 price. We need to talk about it. Even here on the 2 weeks, another 9 hours and 7 minutes left. You guys can see that this is not a bullish cryptocurrency as of this moment. Now, I wanted to show you all from a long-term basis that this is the overall trend, though. Okay, I'm actually trying to get prepared to see the market in Solana come down and confirm this trend. I'm giving you all a heads up right now. May the 8th, 2022, if price comes down here to Solana, to this ascending line, and we find buyers, this is the best opportunity to come in and buy the market, because we're buying it cheaper for one, and then two, the buyers has confirmed this trend numerous times in the long term, all the way back here since January 2021. So this trend has been entrenched, has been created for about a year now. So look forward to that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring this out on the chart. I'm going to create this ascending line now, because I want everyone to be prepared to see the market in Solana to come down to this price level. So that brings us to what, 60 to possibly $55 that we can see the market in Solana continue to go down. Most definitely. So I'm not bullish in the market in Solana, not yet. I'm not looking for the buyers to come through and hold this trend of $78. I'm looking for that to break, and looking for the price in Solana to at least come down to this point, right? To these highs right here. This high that came in on this weekly price bar. I'm looking for the market to go there to possibly like $55 or $53. That's where I'm at. Okay. Now, what do you suspect? I mean, do you see that this cryptocurrency is strong or weak? A lot of things has changed versus the last couple of times we've seen the buyers come in and prop up price at 78. Namely, because we're still seeing weakness. And when we see weakness around support areas, that's terrible news for the buyers. It's giving us a heads up. You know, like, don't expect the market to come in. Don't look for the buyers to come in at $78 and do what it did the last time. Keep the market propped up. We're not seeing that this go around. So let me go ahead and do this here. My first price target, I'm going to drop a price prediction real quick so you all can see what I'm looking at. Okay. My first price target is going to be here to the lows of these 5-day price bars, which is around 68. Where are we at? $68. That's 11.25%. Like, I'm looking at the buyers to try to jump in there. And if they do, then I'm getting out the prediction. I'm getting out the forecast, and I'm taking that 11.25% profitability. If they don't show up at $68, my next level is going to be around 60. Okay, that's my next level, 60. So we got 68 and then 60, which gives us 23% movement to the downside. Okay. And then the last area, price target, which I don't want the market to go down this low, because if so, it's going to confirm the breakage of the trend. But it's around $48 to $50. That's the third level. Okay. It's around 35% movement to the downside from where the market currently is in Solana. Now, it's less likely that we'll see the market in Solana continue to go down towards $50 right now, but I want to put it on your radar. I want you all to see that, because when it happens, you guys won't be caught off guard. You guys won't be confused. You guys won't question and scratch your head and figure out why in the world is Solana still going down. Well, that's because the buyers are not showing up. All right. So the first price target, 68. Okay. Second one, 60. Third one, 50. It might be around 50, 55, $50, somewhere around that area. Okay. So now let me go ahead and straighten this up. Bring this back on the daily, because we're going to follow the market in Solana on the daily time frame. Okay. Bring this in a little bit closer. And we're going to continue to suspect that the market in Solana is going to go down in price. Okay. And I'm definitely want to create this ascending line, because I want everyone to see whether or not the buyers are going to approach this level. We need to see them come in here right there, because if they do, then we know that that's a buying opportunity. And then if they do, we know that this trend is still intact and it's not broken yet. Keep your eyes open on that. All right. So that's it. I'm done. Go ahead, give me your price target, drop it in the comment section, and show everybody where do you think the price is going to go before it actually gets there. This is the benefit that we have. This is the biggest advantage that we have amongst everybody else who is involved in Solana, is that we're able to forecast. So I want you all to give it a try. Let me know where do you think the market in Solana is going to go. All right. So make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.